In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion house cleaning template. We're going to keep this really simple, so even if you're new to Notion, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll have a ready-made cleaning template you can customize for your home, your schedule, and your style. Start by opening Notion on your computer or in your browser. Once you're on your main workspace, look toward the left-hand side where your pages are listed. At the top, or near the top, you should see an option that says Template, or a button that opens the template gallery. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Notion keeps a collection of pre-built pages you can use as a starting point instead of creating everything from scratch. After the template gallery opens, you'll see a search bar, usually near the top of the window. Click on the search bar. This search field lets you filter all the available templates so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. Now, type in house cleaning into that search bar. Take a moment to check your spelling so the most relevant options appear. Once you type it in, Notion will show you any templates related to cleaning routines, chores, or home organization. These templates are designed to save you time and give you ideas on how to structure your own system. Look through the results that come up and select a template that feels closest to what you need. Maybe you see one that's organized by rooms like kitchen, bathroom, and living room, or maybe there's one that's broken down by daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Click on the template to preview it. In this preview, you can scroll and see how the page is laid out, what properties it uses, and how tasks are organized. Think about whether the structure matches how you like to clean or how often you want to schedule chores. Once you've found a template you like, click on the Add button. This will add the template directly into your workspace as a new page. Notion will usually create a copy for you, so you can edit it freely without changing the original template. After it's added, you can rename the page to something like House Cleaning Schedule or Home Chore Tracker, then start editing the tasks, sections, and dates so they match your home and your routine. And that's it. You've built your Notion house cleaning template using the template gallery, and now you can customize